Selamat kembali ke module 3 of WPS presentation. In this presentation saya akan mengajar kamu bagaimana buat awesome punya background. Okay, let's say this one, most of the time when we buat kan, dia punya background is basically either a plain color or maybe have some nice background design, but the thing is always normally dia akan jadi static. Okay, so to make your slide lebih interesting atau menarik, kita akan menggunakan actually pictures sebenarnya, right, untuk buat dia lebih animated lah. Okay, to do that, terlebih dahulu kamu harus pergi ke open the browser, pergi Google. So let's say you're in the forestry department, kita akan cari forest animated GIF. Okay, this one, the keyword here is animated GIF, yang penting punya. So when you press enter, dia akan keluar list of them. I want you to click on di sini images. Lepas itu dia akan keluarkan list of pictures lah. So what you can do is just click on any one of them first. Okay, now if you see that, you wait for it to load. Kalau dia tidak jalan, click on the next one. Now, okay, so if you notice this one, you see dia boleh bergerak, betul? So what you need to do now is you have to actually download the picture nya. So how do you do that? Kamu pergi ke right click dia and then save image as, right, and then go to your desktop. I already just now download. Okay, just make sure when you download you see GIF. GIF image ini maksudnya dia animated GIF lah. Okay, let's say you want to use it as a background and then you save. Okay, I'm going to save mine now. Then go back to your presentation. Okay, we're going to insert it again. Picture. Okay, background. And then we're going to say this one. Yes, just make it easy lah. Okay. Now, sekarang dia tidak jalan. The reason is because you're not running the slide. So when you press the play button nanti or F5, dia akan berjalan sekarang. Now, the thing now is, here we have to send it to the backwards because our text is behind sini lah. If you remember our earlier modules di mana kita lihat dia under the selection pane. Okay, so our title is here. Now one problem here is, notice that dia akan lebih susah nak baca, betul? So I always believe in this concept di mana if let's say kamu mau dia punya teks jadi hitam, so your background must be putih. If you want the text to be white, your background must be black. For our case here, this one, let's say we will use this as a white font as an example first. So what we need to do is, what I will always like to say is consider masking. Masking maksudnya is kita add another layer there. So to do that, kita pergi ke insert, shapes, and then kita akan ambil rectangle. Alright, once you have rectangle, what I want you to do is actually sebenarnya just click and drag over it, that's all. Okay, just click and drag over it. Lepas itu, what you're going to do is you can to right click dia. Okay, go to format object. Now, just now our text is white, betul? Sorry, our text is black, so we need to change dia punya transparency to white first. I mean the fill color to white first, and then followed by the transparency sini. Okay, so the transparency here, you just play with it. Roughly about 40, normally about 40 or 45, 40 to 50 should be okay saja lah, depending on your picture sebenarnya. So we'll keep it to 50 first. Now, the thing is, ini still blur. Sebab apa? Sebab again, if you notice our selection pane, our rectangle is now above the title. So actually, sepatutnya kita mesti send to backward satu kali, and then you can see now your text are clearer. Alright, so we can actually go home and kasih bolkan dia. Okay, and then when we run the slides, notice that now you still can see your background and also your text lah. Okay, so let's say I want to change this to white. So again, simple as that, just change the color to white. Okay, and then I will click on our rectangle and right click. Okay, scroll down, you should see format object. Okay, and then change the fill color sekarang to black. Okay, let's try maybe about 60%. Let's see how does it look like. Looks good. Press play. dia pun lebih kurang sama macam itulah. So depending what's your need, you can try to look for other animated punya background lah. But pastikan when you do your animated search, it must be in English, okay? So that it will return lebih banyak results for you lah. So that's how to make awesome background with animated GIF lah. I'll see you all in the next video.